Hello everyone, welcome back to Simply Makeup. My name is V. If you're new here, I want to say thank you for stopping by. And if you're a returning subscriber, I want to say thank you for staying with me. Today's video is iMETHOD reached out to me and asked me if I will try their liner. I said yes. Package arrived. I opened the package already. So we are going to work with, it is called, I did not put my contacts on. It is called iMETHOD Eyeliner Stamp. iMETHOD Eyeliner Stamp. So I'm going to try. This is what it looks like. And I have to open it now. It comes all wrapped with plastic. You go like this and open. I am excited to try this because I saw other people try this and like it. And I have hooded eyes. Let's see how bad it is today. This is my hooded eye. So when I do a wing, it never comes out right. So I don't attempt wing, I just do my eyeliner. So when iMETHOD reached out to me and asked me if I'll try it, I was like, yes, I will. I wanted to try it. So this is the box without the plastic. This is the side. This is the back. And this is the side. So we're going to try this. It's a 10 mm on there. Say hi, beautiful. Thanks a million for purchasing. This was gifted to me to do a review, an honest review. So I did not buy this one. It says, for purchase, thanks a million for purchasing iMETHOD eyeliner stamp. We hope you are completely satisfied with your new iMETHOD eyeliner stamp. 100% satisfaction guarantee. If you have any questions about the product, please contact us directly. You will get a replacement or a refund easily. You don't need to return it. Just contact us, customer service. It's a wing eyeliner stamp for perfect wings. Let's see if I can do a wing on these hooded eyes. I saw someone did it and I was like blown away. I was like, OMG. If I can get a wing on with iMETHOD wing stamp, everybody who have hooded eyes, I will let you know. Honestly, what I like about it and what it's doing for my eyes. So we're going to start because I am excited to see if I can get a wing. I want a wing. I have wanted to make wings so long, but I just can't. Those hooded eyes, one come out nice and the other one comes out like you just smear it. So it's like, no waste. But this is it. There are two in there. Stamp MM iMETHOD Beauty Right Wing. So this is for the right eye. This is my right, which will be your left when you watch this video. iMETHOD Beauty Left Wing Liner. So this is my left, which will be your right when you're watching this video. And this is my right, which will be your left when you're watching this video. So there is a stamp for this and there is a stamp for this. This is a smart idea. So that iMETHOD liner is a good idea to make one for left eye, one for right eye. Now let's put this to work. It has two sides. This is what this side looks like. We're going to learn together. Whatever mistakes I make, we're going to learn together. Whatever mistakes I make, you will see. And then this side is the fine side. So this side is for the liner. Okay, let's see magic. Let's do magic here. Okay, so I have nothing on my eyes. Just moisturize. I moisturized my face this morning, so that's that. Now I'm going to do a liner. I'm looking in my magnified mirror. This is iMETHOD eyeliner stamp. I am going close. We are doing a liner like a regular liner. Okay. This is how I would typically do my liner. So this is the liner side. Coming close so you can see. Right? Now we are going to do, now I'm going to do the wing. Remember, this is the first time I'm using it. It just came, so I'm going to use it. If it doesn't work, it's not them, it's me. Pilot error, if anything, but let's see if I can do a wing. Take a look. You ought to be kidding me. You see this? I got a I got a wing. Woo, I got it. I got it. I am zooming you in so you can see this wing. Wow. This is my wing. Okay, iMETHOD. Is this a joke? Am I on candid camera? Is this a joke? I have a wing. I have a wing. Oh, this is good. This is good. Dang, this is good. That easy, and I have a wing. When I close my eyes, you can see. When I open my eyes, you can still see my wing. All right, okay. We're staying zoomed in. Now I'm gonna use the left side. Let's see. Let us see if this works. Okay. So I am doing the left. Ooh, I gotta make sure I am in range. Okay. Do I use my left hand? This is my left, which will be your right. This is the liner part. I'm just doing the liner side. So I'm lining my eyes before I do my wing. This is the liner side on my hooded eyes. Now I'm going to do the wing side. Let's see how this wing thing comes out. Oh my God, I am so excited and then frightful at the same time because one came out good. Let's see what the second one come out like. I want to come close so you can see. I want to make sure you can see and my camera is focused. You see that? I have a wing. OMG. I have a wing. I have a wing. I have a wing. You see? I have wings. Yay, 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 iMETHOD. Yes, iMethod. This is the section that give you the wing. Okay, iMethod. Let us talk. Okay, iMethod, let us talk. I have a wing on the left, which is your right. I have a wing on the right, which is your left. I have never been able to do a wing like this before. And I'm close because I want you to see the liner and the wing. Liner and wing. iMethod, thank you very much for sending me this eye stamp wing. I am going to use it again, but I am telling you, if I had any doubts of any other videos that I saw, which I didn't, and I liked what it looked like, and then when they reached out to me, I was like, perfect, because I have very hooded eyes and a wing is just hard to come by. So I had abandoned wings a long time ago until now iMethod showed up. iMethod showed up and gave me wings. Thank you, iMethod. I appreciate this gift. If you're on the fence about this, try it. Try iMethod. Try it. I am telling you, this is like, I am so surprised. I am amazed. I know I am blabbing and I'm talking a lot, but I never had a wig before. Never. They always come out wrong. These came out so nice. Wow. So I took it off and I redid it, and still I got a wing. Still I got wings. So iMethod, thank you very much for sending me this free gift. I thank you very much. It does work. It works. I have a wing. I have a wing. And this is everything for iMethod today. I was gifted. I created the video. I will post that so you can see. The wing stamp works. Even on my very, very hooded eyes, it works. Easy. Easy, easy. So if you feel like getting it, go ahead, buy it, because it does work. Today's word is motion. Motion. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty, take care of self. And I, Simply Makeup, will see you in another video. And if you want the fence with this iMethod stamp, it works. Bye. See you soon. Bye, bye, bye. I'm happy to have this. I am going to use it in another video. Yeah.